The recognition from Fast Company of Infravision has been so incredibly exciting because out of thousands of companies all around the world, Fast Company selected Infravision. I'm incredibly excited about that, but above all, I want to say a huge congratulations to the team because Fast Company, it's in the name, they're backing the fast, disruptive companies and ultimately the teams that are behind the business, building the things that are out there changing the industry and changing the world. In today's energy landscape, the problem isn't power generation. It's moving that power from where it's generated to where it's needed. And the gap in that is the electric grid and electric power transmission. So when it comes to Infravision, customers are looking at Infravision for faster, safer, more affordable ways to install that electric power transmission capacity. For us, it's about speed, time to power, and getting that power and connecting that power faster. And the reality is it's taken us about 100 years to build our existing grid. And we now need to double the size of that, build it all again in less than 20 years. That is an enormous challenge. And it's not something we're going to do by doing things the same way we always have and expecting a different result. So the idea at Infravision is we're delivering products and a service that is 10 times safer, 10 times faster, and ultimately 10 times lower cost than anything that's been available before. I want to say well done to our big global team. It's you who made this award possible. Fast Company is recognizing the business for doing what we do best and disrupting the industry and creating innovation where there hasn't been before. Congratulations to the team.